If you don't put stop to this your insubordination and disingenuous behavior, maybe Yaro, scripted being I will cast you or you will never cross my camera.
You can't say that. You can't say that.
No, see who is talking. No, who needs who? You need me or I need you. Do you know the number of directors that want me to feature in their movies?
Director Yaro.
I even consider you. I consider you.
Look, what you're doing is outrageous, nonsensical.
No, and
there is no sense in this.
No, you're going too far.
You have to talk. When I'm talking, you talking. Something like this. Something like this. I'm talking, you talking.
Becky, please calm down.
No, please. Don't calm me down.
Please.
Don't.
Calm down, please. You know
what? I don't even need you.
Manager, to be frank and Francis, let me say. And what do me be fear? I'm my bed drinking me say. I be degrading.
Oh, please.
No. Yeah, I didn't say a bed drinking say. But look at the NSC. Why him say udifo? That's still no onion to ma. A deba didn't be see.
No. Wait. Mimi ye makeup. Matumi bu ye me makeup. Whoa, but siam won kwala we ye. How dare you? You are stupid.
Please.
Now, in the brief say, I have a remarkable achievement. What achievement?
They've already made the.
Okay, all right.